Da da da. Just doing the normal show. Man, I like the old design. Hey, stand back. Why? We cannot. I'm here because the bite of 87. What's that? Nothing. You want a hug? No, thank you. 'Cause I'm not a little kid. Move. I want a hug. Guys, we have friends. Yarg, matey. I'm not even your type of. What is it? The company. I'm just some normal character. And out of all, I think I'm the actually normal one. Because all you guys are so scary and skin is torn apart. But I'm a normal. So yeah, everybody likes me, matey. Shut up, Foxy. Now give me a hug. What? Hey, get back from there. Shut up. Let's have a hug. Okay. What the? Didn't he just eat the kid? Oh my gosh. We're getting sued. They're getting sued. Huh. At least it's not my problem. Bye, kids. You guys can do whatever you want. Fuck apes. You're hard, baby. Get off of me, my friends. Or what? Or that happens. You do not want to mess with me, the pirate fox. Ow, my neck. And I have myself on the glass. You're gonna pay for that glass. Okay, I'm hurt. Do you see? Whatever. I'm gonna headbutt him. Do not mess with my friend. Get off the stage. Freddy, I don't think we could be cool. Shut up, rabbit. Okay. Meanwhile, okay. We're getting sued. Okay. Everybody evacuate. We're getting sued. I'm just gonna take away Freddy. Okay. Everybody, we gotta go. I'm just gonna get your other design. We're just gonna demolish you. We're just gonna put you in the scooping room. Move. Man. Hey, stop stepping on me. Alright, it's closing time. Anyways, let's get rid of him. And put him in the new. We got a new model. It's this character.
Okay, let's go.
It's this model. He's way better. And I think we're just demolishing this Bonnie to the scooping room you go. Delete. And we're giving you the old design. Here goes him. Alright, let's go. There, I show. There's not gonna be the bite of 87 or 83. Everything is just scared. You're hard, matey. The heck are these people? You weren't listening? Nah, I was too busy doing the dum dum diddly dum 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 song. Okay, it was actually kind of getting annoying because you were in my ear. You're hard, matey. You don't even have ears, chicken. Shut up. Okay, I think I'm gonna try to get a newer model. I need to get paid. I don't even get paid enough for this, and I'm getting sued. So I'm gonna have to give away a lot of money for this court. Hello there, guys. You hard, matey. No one's even here. Alright, we're back. Everybody get in. And we're taking this kid to the hospital. Freddy Fazbear. Ow. Do you have a new character? Hey guys, it's Funtime Freddy. And where is Bon Bon? Wait, who is Bon Bon? It's my friend. He left my hand 2 years ago. Ow. Wait, some new characters. Whoa. Ow. I fell down. Bye. Wow, this looks cool. There's no night guard. Hey, get down there. Ah. Dude, never come on the stage. Whoa. Ow. A new character. I'm going to see. There, I'm already here. Hey, Hey, move. I own this company. I can kick you out and you guys can be banned. Oh, I'm trying to see. Oh my gosh. Hey, the heck are you? Did I break that down? 'Cause I'm so cool. Oh gosh, I need to pay my hospital bills. Honestly, I honestly gotta work on this. They're not like bricks here, so I just gotta get rid of these bricks. Hey kids, do you want to talk about a story of Foxy? You hard, matey. It's Phantom Foxy to you. Step up, Foxy. Hey, you're hard, matey. Stop getting upset with me. Get off of me. You're hard, matey. It was me in the seven seas when we saw the Kraken and we tried to steal it, but he got my ship and we couldn't do anything. But my parrot Pete, he risked his life, and then the Kraken got the parrot, and then whoa, what a cool story. Shut up, little brat. You interrupted my story, matey. Oh, well, that was rude. And that... Bro, this story sucks. You hard, matey? What didn't you just say? You're hard, matey. You do not want to mix with me, Pirate Fox. What the? Why? Oh, you're about to figure out why. That's because why. Does anybody want to call my story garbage or stupid or lame? Does anybody want to volunteer? Okay, Foxy. It's Phantom Foxy. Huh. Hey, get off me. Move. Hey, you, what the, guys, we need to leave. You hurry. That's what they get. What the, it was actually wrong having on business. You know, I gotta take down everything. Alright, everybody get out. Okay. Alright, we honestly gotta change out this fox. You hard, matey. Shut up. Where is my little thing? Oh boy. There. Now I'm gonna take this design out of here. It's been causing some trouble. And I'm just gonna build a new one. We're still here. Okay, bye. I just gotta build this. And
Okay, let's go.
Do you want to be a YouTuber, but don't have a high-end computer, editing program, or others? No worries.
alright, we're just building a new thing. There, I got some glass. Put it. There. And there. If anything wants to become anything, it can't break. I gotta close it down because some people are trying to break in. There, I finally fixed it. A glass window. And we gotta take out this body. Alright, we're gonna get rid of, we're gonna have this chicken. I'm gonna spend my rent money and everything. We just, it's gonna come here any minute. Package been delivered. There, got a new model. Yarg, matey, in the 7 seat. Okay, you know what? Yeah, there, put Foxy there. Let me see if there's any chicas online. Looks like there ain't. Where's my parrot? My parrot, Pete. I don't know. Parrot Pete, I hate you. You left me when we were beating the Kraken. I didn't know what to do. Bye. Alright, that was random. Now put this chicken here. Why can no one just say my name? You hard chicken. Shut up. Ugh. Alright, now we're probably just gonna okay. We're gonna put 2 guards here. Okay. I put the guards there. And if they try to get through the BB-8, there. Now, honestly, what are you doing here? What's up? I'm just trying. Ow! Alright, you can come in. Okay, I'm starting to have these green dots. You can leave. Well, just delete that. And every customer is coming. Finally got my suit. And it's time to kill some kids. And this is when I love this part. I kill kids, everything. Let's see who comes by. I can't wait till the show comes. I know.
Okay, let's go.
If you have ADHD or you just can't focus on schoolwork, this app is perfect for you.
It's about to be so cool. I know, I'll see it the second day. Same. Well, I'm here today. Oh wait, kids, stand back. Hey kids, are you ready to have fun? Who are you? Get away. Hey guys, I can decide who can come to my birthday party. You can say, thank you, little girl. Do you want to come with me? We can have toys, candy, and unicorns, and rainbows. Yes, I want to go. Yes, we would like to go. Well then, follow me. Do you think that sounds suspicious? Nah. Babu, babu, babu. Alright, come on, follow me. There, I got the roof for that. Alright, come up the roof. There and there. What is this? This doesn't even have anything that you said. It's because I lied. I was about to kill you guys with my favorite friend and Liza. Enjoy the afterlife, I say. What are you doing up there? Oh, I actually own the company. I'm gonna take your little friend and put him in the back. Run! Yeah, you don't have to ask twice. Well, I'm gonna go get you guys. Good night. Good night. That was good. We gotta fight. Not as I think so. I gotta run. No. Not on my watch, little girl. But thank you for the party invite. Part 2 comes out of 500 subscribers.
Okay, let's go.